Geometry. Topics covered: open figures and closed figures, triangles, circle, polygons, quadrilaterals. Open figures and closed figures. Figures that start and end at the same point are called closed figures. Examples of closed figures. A closed figure that does not cross itself is called a simple closed figure. Which of the figures given above could you draw by starting at the same point, never lifting your pencil from the paper, and ending at the starting point? Obviously, A, B, C, D, E, G, and H. Such figures are called closed figures. Out of these, which figures can you draw without having the figure cross itself? The answer is A, B, D, and H. Such figures are called simple closed figures. The shape, which is not closed by line segment or a curve, is called an open figure. Polygons. A closed figure made up of 3 or more line segments is called a polygon. At least 3 line segments are required to make a polygon. Polygons are named according to the number of their sides. Triangle, 3 sides. Tri is equal to 3. Quadrilateral, 4 sides. Quadri is equals to 4. Pentagon, 5 sides. Penta is equal to 5. The line segments which form a polygon are called its sides. The point where 2 sides of a polygon meet is called a vertex of the polygon. Hexagon, 6 sides. Hexa equals to 6. Octagon, 8 sides. Octa equals to 8. Decagon, 10 sides. Deca equals to 10. Triangles. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 vertices. A triangle has 3 angles. There are different kinds of triangles. On the basis of the measure of the angles, they are of 3 kinds. 1. In an acute angle triangle, all the angles are acute, less than 90 degrees. 2. If one angle of a triangle is obtuse, more than 90 degrees, it is an obtuse angle triangle. If an angle of a triangle is right angle, 90 degrees, it is a right angle triangle. Based on the length of their sides, triangles are of the following 3 kinds. If all the sides of a triangle are of unequal length, it is a scalene triangle. If 2 sides of a triangle are equal, it is an isosceles triangle. If all the sides of a triangle are equal, it is an equilateral triangle. Quadrilaterals. A quadrilateral has 4 sides and 4 vertices. It has 4 angles. The sides of the quadrilateral having a common vertex are called its adjacent sides. The sides of the quadrilateral having no common vertex are called its opposite sides. Line segments joining the opposite vertices of a quadrilateral are called its diagonals. AB and BC, BC and CD, CD and DA, DA and AB are pairs of adjacent sides. AB and CD, BC and DA are pairs of opposite sides. AC and BD are diagonals. Some of the quadrilaterals are square, all sides are equal and each angle is of 90 degrees. Rectangle, opposite sides are equal and each angle is of 90 degrees. Parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and parallel and opposite angles are equal. Rhombus, all sides are equal and opposite angles are equal. Trapezium, one pair of opposite sides is parallel. Circle, a circle is a closed figure. Every point on it is at equal distance from the fixed point. The fixed point is its center. A circle is a curve and not a line segment, so it has no sides and no vertex. For example, 1 rupee coin, dial of a clock, bangles, discs, wheel, etc. To draw a circle using a compass. We can draw a circle using a coin, bangle, or round glass. Put a coin or a bangle on a paper sheet. Move the fine tip of a pencil along its edge. But in this way, we do not get a proper circle. We use a pair of compass to draw a perfect circle of the given radius. A pair of compasses has two arms joined at the top. One arm acts like a pivot and has a pointed end. The other arm can clip the pencil, and we can stretch the arms to the desired length. We measure the given radius of the circle, say 3 cm, on a ruler between the pointed end and the pencil tip by adjusting the opening of the compass. Now fix the pivot point on the paper sheet and rotate the pencil arm of the compass around. The pointed end of the compass marks the center of the circle. Put a dot at the center and mark it as O. Parts or elements of a circle. The fixed point at equal distance from each point on the circle is called its center. The distance of any point on the circle from its center is the same. OA equals to OB equals to OC. Each of the distances is called the radius of the circle. All the radii of a circle are equal. The word radii is plural for the word radius. A line segment joining the center to any point on a circle is called its radius. We can see AO, OD are in a straight line. The line segment AOD is the diameter of the circle. A line segment passing through the center of a circle with its end points on the circle is called a diameter. Length of AOD equals to length of AO plus OD equals to length of OA plus OD. Diameter equals to radius plus radius equals to 2 into radius. Each diameter is twice the radius of the circle. BE and CF are also diameters in the figure. More diameters can be drawn. It must pass through the center of the circle. All the diameters are of equal length. A line segment joining any 2 points on the circle is called its chord. For example, AB and PQ are chords of the given circle. The chord PQ passes through the center. It is also a diameter. The chord AB does not pass through the center. A chord of a circle passing through its center is a diameter. Diameter is the biggest chord of a circle. The distance covered to go around a circle once is called its circumference. Circumference is the circle itself. Any part of a circle that is a part of the circumference is called an arc. The part of the circle from A to B on the circle is arc AB. Arc AB is a curve. Chord AB is a line segment. Values in life skills. Find the angle between the hour and the minute hands in other situations also. Angle at 3 o'clock equals to 90 degrees. Angle at 6 o'clock equals to 180 degrees. Difference in 3 hours equals to 90 degrees. Difference in 1 hour equals to 90 degrees divided by 3 equals to 30 degrees. Angle at 4 o'clock equals to 90 degrees plus 30 degrees equals to 120 degrees. Angle at 5 o'clock equals to 120 degrees plus 30 degrees equals to 150 degrees. Value: learn the value of time. Maths lab activity. Objective: to understand shapes better by tangrams. Materials required: soft card, paper, pencil, scale. Method: draw a big square and 4 into 4 small squares in it. Draw thick lines as shown. Erase the light lines. Cut along the thick lines, you get 7 pieces. 2 large triangles, 1 medium-sized triangle, 2 small triangles, 1 square and 1 parallelogram. Put the 7 pieces in different ways to make interesting shapes like the ones shown below.